Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to pipe with MP soap using the Arrowroot powder method. So let's get started. For the piping soap cream, instead of arrowroot powder, you could use cornstarch or tapioca starch. First, mix starch with water in room temperature. Stir until completely dissolved. Then pour it into the melted soap base and let them combine. Pour a small amount out. And then add in sunny color. I find that sunny color does not mix well when temperature is not hot enough, so it would be better to add the color to the melted soap base while it is still hot. In this video, I use Sunny Soap Base Clear SLS Free. The reason for this soap base is that it is not a fast solidified soap base. It would give me more time to prepare the whipped cream without rushing. You could feel free to try any other soap base you like. Once the whipped cream is ready, I put it into piping bag. Slide the cream all the way towards the piping tip. Now you could take your time to pipe. The soap cream could be reheated in microwave for less than 10 seconds. If it gets too hard, this is one of the piping cream method that could dry and gets hardened after leave air dry. Depending on your climate, you could put less water if you live in a humidity area. This time, I added the color in advance when the soap base was still hot, so the color would be softer and smoother. Instead of spatula, you could also try with the egg whisk to mix. You could get a forming texture easily. And then pour some out. Mix and allow it to cool down more. Once the texture is not runny, you know that it is ready to go. Let's put it into a piping bag. Press to release the air out and slide all the cream to the top of the piping bag. First, we pipe a base for the center cone. And create 3 petals around the base. Then for the outer layer, 5 petals. And this is how it looks like. For the cupcake base, I used the Sunny Soap Base Pro C. It is a fast, solidified soap base. You don't need to wait a long time for it to set. I created 2 layers with different colors for the base. While waiting for the soap base to set, I prepared more piping soap cream. Once the soap bases are solidified, remove them from silicone molds. I really love this peach and lime combination. Now the soap cream is ready to be used. I mixed a little bit more so the cream texture would be even. Not like part of it is too soft, while the other part is already hardened due to the cool down of temperature. I squeezed some cream in the center of the cupcake base. Place the rose around it. At this time, the roses were sitting there for 20 to 30 minutes already, even though they still feel a bit moist, but you could pick it up gently. They normally takes about 2 to 3 days to be completely dry. The finished whipped roses are sponged and fragile. So this is how to pipe with MP soap using arrowroot powder technique. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If there's anything related to soap DIY you want to watch, please leave a comment down below. Remember to subscribe my channel. I will try to update this channel as often as I could. Thank you for watching.